Yo, it is a perfect day in Los Angeles. It's about 6 o'clock. So let's go ahead. Let's drop this top. I was gonna wait more than their recommended time before I drop the top on the whip, but it's a beautiful night, evening. I got some errands to run, so it's been about a week. So let's go ahead. Let's drop this top. Head on over to Target and Home Depot and return some things and pick up some things. Let's pop this top. Let's see what's going on. Switch that up. Ooh, that's tight. That's real tight. My other one, it didn't pop up like that. So yeah, this thing got some stretching to do. Oh, and let me show you what I'm talking about, the fit and finish with these guys. Look, they didn't tear off all this paper all along here. All this paper left. And to me, that's just not okay for the amount of coin I dropped on this thing here. Let's go in here. Oh, it's tight. That one's patiently waiting. Let's go ahead and get this in there. Crank that. Pull that out. Pull that out. Uh-oh, what's going on? Okay. Okay, there we go. All right, got that situated. Go ahead, make sure that's tucked in there nicely. Hate the way this folds. Maybe I gotta train it to fold right, cause them creases ain't looking right. Push this up. Nope, 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 I'm tripping. Oh man, this is really, it's really tight in there. Let's pull out some. All right. All right, so that looks all good. It's a little tight in here. I don't feel it folding the right way. Try this again. All right, so I'm gonna have to pull up because something's not folding right in this joint here. Let me pull the car up. Alright, let's see here. This thing is folding very awkwardly. Actually, let me pull it all the way out the gadget. All right, let's see here. This piece here, it's not tucking. I'm not sure. I'm not exactly sure what's going on here, but it's not fitting. Oh, it looks like it's caught there. It was caught on that hook. I don't even know why it's hitting this hook back here. Let's go back around here. Maybe that's... Man, these ants is no joke in Los Angeles. They gangster. So before, it just, you know, obviously it was worn. It would just fold right in there. No problem. Hopefully this one gets to that level, because wrestling with this every time is not going to be the business. And I felt like the other one sat down lower. I'm not even sure if this is going to close. All right, there she goes. Alright, so I am in the whip. I don't know if that's normal or not for... I hate the garage, so it's loud as a mother. In the whip. I'm not sure if that's normal or not for a new top, but... Man, that was a wrestle. That was a wrestle. So, looking forward to some new adventures. Let me go ahead and run over here to Target, return some things. And I'll holler at y'all. Dig in LA.